How to create or register Chase Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to sign up for the Chase Bank's online banking in just a few quick steps. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. So for that, you can open up your browser and go to Chase website. You can type in chase.com and you'll be led to this page right here. Or you can also download up the application, which is easily available for free. Once you're here, look up for the sign up or the enroll button in the sign in section at the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then since we are not logged in, you can find this option called not enroll sign up now. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now under here, you'll be asked to enter your personal information like your account number, social security number, and your date of birth. So you can just go ahead and enter it there. After that, create a username and password for your account. Make sure they are secure and follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may get a code sent to your email or your phone. And once you've entered everything, click on complete enrollment and you'll be ready to sign in and start using your Chase online banking. So that is it. That is how you sign up for Chase Bank's online banking. So if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and drop a comment if you have got any questions.